to let me shine. That's your way. You always walk a step behind.
Humihingi po ako ng paumanhin sa mga taong naiinis sa akin. Pinapangako ko, pagbubutihin ko pa, kayong asarin. Isang bagay na hindi ko talaga pinopost sa social media. Alam mo kung ano? Pera. Kasi wala naman ako nun.
Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything
Hoy, dapat ayusin mo ang ugali mo. Ako? Ayusin ko ang ugali ko? Mukha ko nga di ko maayos ugali pa kaya inang yan.
Uy, Bes! Bukas, dadaan yung truck ng basura, ha?
Ay, oo nga pala.
Ay, sumama ka na.
it might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. I could fly higher than any.
Sino? Janjan?
Life is not at all that bad, my friend. If you believe in yourself, if you believe there's someone who walks through life with you, you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll show you the way. And He said, cast your burdens upon